Hey, let me show you what you can do if you cannot connect a Bluetooth device into your Samsung Galaxy S26. First of all, you have to start by opening the settings on your phone, scroll all the way down and go for General Management. And then you have to scroll all the way down, select a reset option, and now you can reset all the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth settings. Unfortunately, you cannot only reset Bluetooth, so it will also disconnect from all available Wi-Fi networks, but also it will bring back all default options for Bluetooth. Now, if you did that, then just go back for the connections, open Bluetooth, and right now just simply turn off that Bluetooth. Now, it's also highly recommended to perform a reset of your device. If you are using speaker, headphones, or earbuds, just simply check the user manual or search for some YouTube tutorials where you can find the reset process for your device. And in most cases, you have to click and hold some kind of the buttons or sometimes the buttons combination and wait until the indicators of your device starts blinking in a specific way to basically do this. And now we have to just enter for a pairing mode manually. So in my case, I have to click and hold this pairing button and wait until indicators on my headphones starts blinking. Now it's time to grab our S26, turn on the Bluetooth, and just wait for available devices list. If it is not working for some reason, then you can simply stop scanning and start scanning one more time. If you still cannot connect, well, I will just recommend you to restart your phone. By clicking here, you can just simply restart your device and then try to enter for pairing mode and pair your device one more time. But as you can see, for me, it is working. Let me know how it actually looks in your case. Thanks for watching.